Hello everybody, Cozy Azeroth, aka Zachary Fruhling here, back with program number 8, Sound Off 2, from the book 101, Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. One of my favorite retro programming books. I used to pore over this book when I was a kid, typed in all of these programs, and I'm overjoyed to be able to type all these programs into a TI-99 4A emulator here in 2025, of all things. This emulator I'm using is Classic 99, and I've got a PDF of the book pulled up here, and we're going to dive in. Sound Off 2. Here's another slightly different version of our beeper program. So, if you didn't catch the first version of this beeper program, you can find it on my YouTube channel under Zachary Fruhling or under Cozy Azeroth. So be sure to check that out if you missed that. Very short program, but and a very short video as a result, but interesting nonetheless. Okay, let's go ahead and type in this program. Very short program. Okay, let's get into TI Basic. So again, this is the Classic 99 emulator. 10 call clear. Okay, 20, D equals 5. 30, V equals 5. 40. Oops, excuse me, sorry about that. Typo. 40 for F equals 110 to 1100. Step 10. Call sound. D, F, and V. So D is duration, and that'll be duration of 5. It's supposed to be 5 milliseconds, I believe. F is a frequency, 110 to 1100 hertz in increments of 10, and volume is going to be 5. That didn't really need to be a variable, but that's okay. These type-in programs from books like this are as much pedagogical as practical, so sometimes they're just trying to teach you what everything does. Okay, 60, next F, that closes the for next loop. Next frequency, in other words. And that should be everything. Let's give it a run. Ooh, that's much more cool sounding, isn't it? I like it. I think what we need to do, again, I hadn't planned to modify these programs, but some of these programs are so short. I kind of want to, like help the author out a little bit and make these a bit more robust than they were. So I think what I want to do is actually have a go-to statement, 70 go to 40. So that way, when the sequence ends, when we get to the highest pitch, it just starts back over. So let's run it now. Nothing to see in this program. Be cool in a video game, right? There you go, you can see the loop started over. And there we go, the loop starts over again. And so on and so forth. One will quickly tire of this if you don't end the program eventually. So, again, I think this is just a quick and easy way to generate a cool little increasing frequency sound effect for a video game or whatnot. Okay, let's list out the program. And I want to get a good screenshot of this program. So I'm going to delete line 70 and clear screen and list out the program. That way we have the original program as is for the screenshot for the thumbnail. And then I'm going to run it one more time in its original form just to add a couple extra seconds to this video and just because it's cool, so enjoy it. The intensity builds, the frequency builds. There we go. That was, what was it called? Sound Off 2 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. If you are watching this on YouTube and you want to see my other TI-99 4A content, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth or my actual name, Zachary Fruhling. If you are watching this on Twitch, be sure to check out my YouTube channel in turn, and be sure to check me out on the other platforms. If you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel, Cozy Azeroth. If you're watching this on Twitch, check out my YouTube channel, same thing, Zachary Fruhling or Cozy Azeroth. You can find TI-99 4A content, some retro programming. I'm working on a retro 8-bit style video game in Pico 8. Some retro gaming, and some World of Warcraft live streaming. So thank you very much. This is a short program, hence a short stream, and I'll be back soon with the next program, program number 9 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. Thank you very much. Catch you on the next video.